Piles, the swollen and inflamed veins in the rectum and anus that causes discomfort and bleeding. Now, piles or hemorrhoids are usually caused by strain during the bowel movement, usually seen in the obese person or during the pregnancy. Now, basically, there are two types of problems related to the anus and to the constipation. The one is piles and the other is fissure. Now, how to identify that whether this condition is related to the fissure or this to the piles? Piles is basically related to the swollen vein. Fissure is a small tear in the lining of the anus. In piles, swelling will be more and bleeding will be more. Whereas in fissure, there will be a burning pain. This is the most characteristic feature to identify whether the case is of piles or fissure. The burning is more in fissure and bleeding is less in fissure. And pain will be more in fissure as well. Now there are 5 best remedies in homeopathy for treating piles. First is aloes, collinsonia, rethnia, nitric acid and nux vomica. Now to identify the patient whether it belongs to which medicine. Now 3 things we have to see. First, the nature of the patient. Second, if there are any peculiar symptoms similar to that of medicine. And third is the modalities. Now the aloes, the most important medicine. Now how to identify the patient of aloes? First, seeing the nature. Nature is not important, so important in aloes. We can prescribe to without finding the nature. Now the peculiar symptom of this remedy is the patient is aggravate from the worm. Usually when we apply warm water on the affected area, then the patient gets relief, but in this case the patient gets aggravated or do not feel better when warm water is applied on that area. Then jelly like mucus is seen in the stool. The patient feels better by applying cold water. Now some specific features for this. Now he is having diarrhea early in the morning. Now early diarrhea is also seen in few remedies like sorinum, rumex and sulfur. Now the modalities of aloes patient. The patient gets aggravated early in the morning when he follows the sedentary life and dry hot weather. He feels better in cold water and cold weather. Now the next best remedy for the piles is collinsonia. Now collinsonia is, now if the person is having chronic painful piles as if stick or sand has logged in the rectum, then we can prescribe collinsonia. Another characteristic feature of collinsonia is the patient is having constipation. Now collinsonia is having a very peculiar symptom. Now collinsonia, after the relief of heart complaint, old piles reappear. So this is very peculiar symptom that when the heart symptoms disappear, the piles reappears. If this condition is there, then collinsonia acts best, and after the suppressed menses. Now the modalities of collinsonia, the patient gets aggravated from the mental, emotional or excitement, and he feels better by applying heat on that area. Now the rethnia is the best remedy for the fissure. Now the constipation is also seen in this remedy. The hemorrhoids produced out during the stool. This is a very peculiar symptom in this. Now burning for hours after each stool is also a peculiar symptom in rethnia, and this burning gets better by hot water. Now along with rethnia, there are few medicines for fissure which acts best. In that, the one is Aeschylus hip, the other is nitric acid, Painia, Thuja and collinsonia. These all along with the piles act very well in the fissure as well. Now first, the nature of the patient. The patient of nitric acid is very irritable. The person is nervous and is hateful. He hates others. Then ill-willed. he is having strong feeling of dislike of someone without any reason. Then vindictive is another word used for the nature of nitric acid, which means unreasoning desire for the revenge. Then in diarrhea as well, due to loss of fluid or hemorrhage, we can give nitric acid. There is great strain but only little stool passes. There is violent cutting pain after the stool lasts for hours. Now the third disease, the fissure. In this there is tearing, spasmodic pain during the stool. Now after the stool as well, there is violent cutting pain which lasts for hours. There are few another medicines acts very well for this, that is rethnia and sulfur. There also the pain lasts for hours after the stool. And the modalities, all the symptoms better while riding in a carriage or the train or car. Whenever the patient used to move in a carriage or car or train or any other, then he feels better, whereas in coculus the patient gets aggravated with the same. Nux vomica, this is also a very good remedy for piles. Now basically the main thing which happens when the person is having constipation. Now this is the main criteria. If the person is having constipation and piles is there, then we can prescribe Nux vomica. Now along with the medicines, the patient should also see the diet which he is taking. The diet should contain fibrous food. Much of the fibrous food he should include in his diet, and he should drink a lot of water.